Okay guys, more carbon again for the above. So today we've got the fog lights around here, so you can see these, they go a bit milky white. I know you can bumper dress them up, but they never look the best. So what we've done is we've made this. So obviously with everything, we use the adhesion primer, plenty of glue on the back as you can see there, and you'll see the paint of that in a minute. So we just get the adhesion primer. Now don't get this on any of your paintwork or your lens. So obviously you're just gonna, wow. Pretty small little wipe, so you can be quite accurate with it. So just fold it down. Basically it makes your plastics look amazing for a couple of seconds. So you wipe that on all the way around where it's gonna stick. Again, try not to get any on the paintwork or the lens. And this you've got to let dull off, so obviously it just dries off like an alcohol wipe, but it leaves the surface on to stick to, as you've probably seen on the million other videos. So this is the painful bit. I've preempted it obviously by getting all the tails off, so obviously now I can hopefully, it says. So I'll just waffle on while I do this. There's loads of carbon bits on the website, so obviously go and have a look at all those. Loads of different videos on YouTube, etc. So you can have a watch of those, see what other bits you can get. Some of these are an absolute pain. So just go all the way around, take your time. If it does that, then obviously just give it a rub down so the sticker's stuck on. I also bring my trusty scissors for awkward bits. If you do get a bit there that you can't get, or you can't get your nailing, so I've got like grubby mechanic hands. Oh. And there you go, it's all stuck. Make sure there's no glue there, so you just can line it up in that corner. Dead gentle at first so you can see that it's clipped in and gone right back. And then basically give it a right good push in just to get it to stick. Hold it there for a few moments, press it all around, and there you go. What a difference. So you can get these on our website, www.KillAllChrome.com. Keep liking, subscribing, watching all the videos, etc. Until next time.